Usually जब startups आते हैं सारी चीज़ें people prefer it more is because of higher salaries and pays as well.
When companies start off तो basically वो कहते हैं अच्छा हम ये भी कर लें हम ये भी कर लें हम ये भी कर लें
Behavior surprised you the most जब कोई भी इंसान आपके प्रोडक्ट से इंटरेक्ट करता है.
हेल्थ भी ओनली टेक एक्शन ऑन हेल्थ जब वो डिजीज हो जाती है फील बिजी बट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू असेस कि यार एंड ऑफ द डे आप जो काम कर रहे हो वो वाकई क्या उसकी एक
Value है या नहीं?
वैल्यू है या नहीं वेलनेस की अवेयरनेस इज ऑन द राइज एंड माशाल्लाह से पीपल आर टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट एंड वी आर हियर टू हेल्प देम उसमें वी डेफिनेटली हैव सीन मिक्स ऑफ बोथ.
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू वन ऑन वन बाय टीबी. आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे गेस्ट हैं जो बेसिकली कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में ही इज डूइंग मेकिंग बिग डिफरेंस स्पेसिफिकली टू द हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेगमेंट. वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट अ प्रोडक्ट दैट ही हैज रिसेंटली इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इनटू द मार्केट व्हाइल वर्किंग अलोंगसाइड अ बिग लेगेसी इंस्टीट्यूशन इटसेल्फ. एंड सो द गेस्ट दैट वी हैव टुडे इज बेसिकली रुहेल. अस्सलाम वालेकुम रुहेल, कैसे हैं आप?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. एंड हम लोग आज बहुत सारा इंटरेस्टिंग सीखने वाले हैं रिगार्डिंग द प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो दैट ही हैज़. एंड उन्होंने स्टार्टअप में आके फर्दर प्रोडक्ट वाली जो साइड है उसको किस तरह फ्लोरिश किया. वी विल बी getting to learn a lot about that. So Ruhail, why don't you introduce to everyone जो ये conversation देख रहे हैं and they already do not know about you कि who you are apart from your job title and आप जो जहाँ पे जॉब कर रहे हैं उससे पहले आप क्या करते थे?
Sure, that sounds great. Well, my name's Ruhail, and एक interesting tidbit ये है कि it's I had a bit for to travel. At least that's what I've been told.
Okay.
So I haven't traveled as much as I'd like to, but वैसे travel in the sense of life experiences काफी रहे हैं.
ठीक है.
So basically, I like to describe myself as a person as an everyday Karachiite. Like it goes about his everyday life.
Yeah.
Hangs out with friends and all.
Yeah.
I've always had an interest in the arts and all. I am by academics a business graduate from
Okay.
IB. And I found myself working in tech sector.
Okay.
So this is not something just professional, but also something that is enticing for me on एक personal level.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's how you. अच्छा, so basically आपकी जो overall एक फील्ड रही है वो प्रोडक्ट की ही रही है थ्रू आउट या फिर अभी रिसेंटली आप इस साइड पे आए हैं?
No, for the last 10 years, it's been in the product space.
Okay, last 10 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have quite a lot of experience towards that. So I'm sure what the product that you are working on. Can you tell about it a little bit to our viewers?
Okay, sure. So basically, right now, I'm working for this product called EFE Life Win. It's
Win.
essentially WIN Win. It's essentially a gamified health and wellness app. यानी ये है कि basically ये health and wellness की जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री है
Makes sense.
उसके लिए एक आप समझ लें कि habit building product है.
Okay.
जिसपे यानी जब यूजर जो इसको यूज कर रहा है हमारी ऐप को he maintains healthy habits
Yeah.
and can earn rewards.
Rewards as
So it's जिस तरीके से यानी मैं मिसाल दूं कि जैसे हमारे पास different games होते हैं, you level up in games,
बिल्कुल.
level 1, level 2 and all,
Yeah.
and you complete challenges and earn rewards. So it uses that mechanism to basically
Okay.
enforce healthy behaviors.
Amazing, because वही वाली बात है, health and well-being एक बहुत ही crucial subject and topic है and people take it so lightly. So that's amazing that how you guys are bringing innovation and gamification into it so that people are more focused on like एक fun way में अपनी health को ख्याल रख सके जो
Exactly,
normally
yes.
नहीं करते. And overall I think जो हमारा एक index health index बढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, it will help in that. So we will deep dive into it in the upcoming segments. First let's get to know a little bit more about जो आपका पूरा experience रह चुका है, your early career and आपने जो startup की दुनिया में आए हैं उसमें आपका क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, ठीक है? ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट आई एम आस्किंग इज बेसिकली रिगार्डिंग आप स्टार्टअप साइड पे आए हैं बिकॉज द प्रोडक्ट दैट यू आर बिल्डिंग यू योरसेल्फ टोल्ड कि इट्स बेसिकली लाइक एन इनोवेशन दैट EFU इज ब्रिंगिंग इनटू देयर बिग लेगेसी इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड इट इज वर्किंग लाइक अ स्टार्टअप, राइट? सो हाउ डू यू थिंक इन जनरल कि स्टार्टअप्स के अंदर आने के बाद आपको लगा कि यूजर्स एंड प्रॉब्लम्स को किस तरह देखा जाता है?
अच्छा, आई थिंक सबसे पहले जो इसमें एक चीज़ है कि स्टार्टअप कल्चर जो हमारे यहाँ ओवरऑल है, आई हैव सीन बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ माई करियर इन 2016. सो बैक देन वहाँ पे आई थिंक ये उस वक्त की बात है जब एयरलिफ्ट करीम एंड ऑल दीज कंपनीज केम इन. सो व्हाइल स्टार्टअप्स एग्जिस्टेड प्रायर टू दैट बट पोस्ट दैट पोस्ट दीज कंपनीज कमिंग इन द लास्ट कमिंग इन एक आई हैव सीन अ माइंडसेट शिफ्ट चेंज, राइट? सो मेरा इस सेंस में टू एड ऑन टू व्हाट यू सेड, सो आई वर्कड बोथ इन लेगेसी इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड इन startups. I started off at Alphala. I started off in the ADC or digital department, which also kind of works like a startup in that sense that bringing in digital products, adopting startup ideologies and methodologies. And I've also worked in startups both within Pakistan and outside of Pakistan. So उसमें यानी जो the way we see users ये है कि पाकिस्तान में I think at least that's my opinion that a lot of the startup ideology and methodology in my opinion translates from the first world.
Okay.
कि जैसे जो first world में already जैसे एक हम कहते हैं कि Y Combinator एक मशहूर है
Yeah.
या Endeavor है, so you know these mature markets
Yeah,
have
yeah.
had those startups in, and a lot of the lessons and a lot of the processes and systems are basically being translated down into Pakistan. So if you take all of the startups like Careem, Daraz, and like you know Sada Pay and
Bilkul.
Naya Pay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
these are essentially not novel concepts, but basically concepts that existed abroad and are now localized to the
Bilkul.
Pakistani market.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So उसमें ये है कि what Pakistani startups benefited from
Yeah.
is that जो first movers थे, which primarily were the you know more mature countries like US and all, they already had a bit of information and you know content on what worked and what didn't, right?
Okay.
So startups हमारे जो founders थे,
Yeah.
उनने यानी you know they've had a lot to learn from.
Yeah.
They've been in those markets. In some cases, founders have been operating at you know companies like you know Google and all, and they
Bilkul.
bring these ideologies here. But what differentiates Pakistan, in my opinion, is that you know, irrespective जो आपके I think आप कह लें कि आप किताब में कुछ पढ़े हैं, किसी blog में देखें, उसमें करें,
Yeah.
unless you have actually built that product,
Yeah.
you won't gain those experiences here.
100%.
So right, so उसमें ये है कि right, okay, you can have a process and you can have a
Yeah.
methodology, and when that does not necessarily translate.
हाँ,
So you see कि यहाँ पे इस particular market
Yeah.
की क्या factors हैं that makes these customers and products stick.
मेक सेंस आपने काफ़ी अच्छी इंसाइट दी है कि मोस्टली जो आजकल स्टार्टअप्स यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में आ रहे होते हैं वो दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम अब्रॉड लाइक दे आर ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग देयर एंड नाउ वो यहाँ पे लेके आ रहे हैं सो व्हाट हैव यू नोटिस कि स्टार्टअप रूल्स के हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ट्रेडिशनल रूल्स
अच्छा, ट्रेडिशनल रोल्स में ये है कि so traditional roles in my opinion have also evolved over time.
That's true.
I think business teams have also you know considered that you know कुछ जो processes थे वो हम कैसे यानी you know उसको reframe कर दें या
ठीक है।
restructure कर दें to in order to make sense.
सही।
So you know when I was at Alpha now has grown quite a lot in the digital department. So
अच्छा।
like you know
Yeah,
they've
that's true.
expanded a lot into वो. Similarly, EFU has also you know launched in many innovative
Many
products.
innovative
So
products.
उसमें like you know they constantly keep changing on you know how things work or how processes
Okay,
work. और
ठीक
इसमें
है।
एक जो मैं कहता हूँ कि एक तो एक driving force है, that has to be हमारी you know younger workforce who you know it's a combination of both the younger workforce and more experienced individuals.
Yeah.
Experience having that you know you would say
The
benefit,
understanding of market,
benefit
yeah.
of the market,
Yeah.
and with the younger workforce bringing in new ideas,
New
innovation,
ideas.
and that
What's
innovation.
working, what's trending,
Yes.
कि लोगों को पसंद क्या आएगा. So that's one thing I want to highlight as well, which is very important कि वो जो combination जो आपने अभी mention किया is very important I
Yeah.
believe. That's why जो startup cultures are getting more hype and promotion these days than the obviously the traditional ones.
Yeah.
But जो पुरानी companies भी हैं, they are also moving towards
Yep,
these.
definitely.
यही आप I think
Yeah,
कह रहे हैं इसके अंदर भी. So that's quite interesting. And जिस तरह आपने भी EFU का भी mention किया, it has itself taken क्योंकि EFU has been like here for quite some time,
Yep,
right?
definitely.
So उन्होंने अपनी एक legacy develop की हुई है, but they have a certain way of operating as well. But to think कि आप उस एक सोच से निकल के एक startup like verticals खोलना शुरू करो, which is their innovative products की जो पूरी chain आ रही है, जिसमें you are also helping out and working. So how do you think कि ये idea EFU के पास आया that we should do that?
Achha. I think overall, like I said, like you know, businesses evolve over time. Yani every business evolves over time. So it's been a natural, organic growth, you know, taken by business leaders.
Yeah.
कि हम अपने product lines को diversify करें. We seek into new segments and launch
Yeah.
new products. And more so, I would say कि in that sense that it's more so about क्या कहते हैं, expanding the propositions,
Okay.
expanding new business areas.
Okay.
And this doesn't just apply to EFU, but overall from what I've seen as an
Yeah.
observer
Yeah.
in different companies, because Pakistan may like when people say, a lot of people use this a very generic statement that in Pakistan में potential है. There is a lot of truth in that sense that yes, there is still a lot of untapped stuff because
yeah.
you know a lot of the जो हमारी markets हैं, अगर आप बाहर की markets हैं, उसमें तो more developed, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें present नहीं हैं जो कि बाहर हैं, सारी बात.
Makes sense.
So that you know makes an opportunity. एक example है, like you know very simple example
Yeah.
है, and some startup that I personally like is the concept of ticket वाला. जैसे बाहर तो
हाँ.
there's like 4 or 5 ticket वाlas, लेकिन
Okay.
यहाँ पे like you know the guy Zayan brought that concept over here, and you know it's mashallah
Yeah.
been working.
Yeah, yeah.
So you know it's that potential is there. It's about you know those business teams tapping in and exploring what works.
I agree, but I also feel like ये potential exist करता है यहाँ पे and people are tapping into it, but it's also the execution of that potential as well. जिसने सही execute कर लिया वो चल रहा है, अभी तक जिसने नहीं किया फिर वो shut down और बंद हो जाते हैं because there have been a lot of good startups which were not able to maintain themselves. Like to name a few, जैसे Airlift आया and then Cirla and सारी चीज़ें. So there are certain things which are they are not able to. I think जो puzzle के pieces हैं वो नहीं place कर पा रहे. So वो भी एक I think एक काफ़ी matter करता है. Companies are trying to expand their services and looking into कि क्या future में work करेगा. That's why I think EFU ने भी ये सारे steps लिए हैं to make sure कि उनकी जो current प्रोडक्ट लाइन है उसको फर्दर एनहांस कर सकें, लोगों को एक अच्छा यूजर एक्सपीरियंस भी दे सकें, राइट? सो नाउ गेटिंग इनटू अ लिटिल मोर इन द प्रोडक्ट साइड, जो आपने भी पूरे प्रोडक्ट्स डेवलप करे हैं एंड उससे जो भी आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिला है, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी, वी हैव बीन डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द स्टार्टअप कल्चर एंड द स्टार्टअप रोल्स दैट हैव कम ओवर द टाइम, राइट? सो कैन यू टेल मी हाउ हैज दैट इवॉल्व्ड, द लेगेसी कंपनीज उनकी एवोल्यूशन में किस तरह हेल्प किया है उसने?
Yeah, definitely. I think legacy companies recognized that if they didn't move fast, अगर उनने वही वैसे की वैसे ही रहे, so they will give way to a lot of new competitors. एक properly example है, something that we can relate to is in the payment space startup पे नया पे आए, so everybody was like wow, this is something new, and उनकी digital onboarding and really took millennials and Gen Zs by storm. So I think actions like those really shake up competitors. मैंने क्योंकि मैं banking space से भी ताल्लुक है, so I saw a lot of innovation in the banking sector as a whole.
Yeah, that's true.
Mizan, UDL, Alphala, and a lot of some of these have really upgraded their apps. And so likewise in the financial sector, if I talk about EFU, so EFU ने भी माशाल्लाह से काफी अपने product line में changes लाए हैं in the past. So I think what it changes is that since एक जो चीज हमें recognize करनी चाहिए, that Pakistan does have a lot of untapped potential. It's about how you tap it and how you execute it, right?
100%.
So उसमें ये है कि what I've seen both में I'll give an example of both of Alphala and of EFU. So when I was at Alphala, we literally saw the evolution of the Alpha app. I was there for 2 years.
Okay.
So it started from V1, एक बड़ी simple app थी, and now today mashallah has become one of the leading banking apps.
Yes.
Right? And similarly with EFU, and how I ended up at EFU was also that मेरा experience भी था in the digital space, and EFU was launching this new product Win. So that we also like at EFU take a similar approach that we have to move fast. We have to bring in innovation,
100%.
and we have to meet the consumer's demand and
नहीं, that's completely true. And as you have mentioned कि जैसे अल्फला ने अपने आप को एडवांस करा है, इवॉल्व करा है, आई रियली थिंक कि जितनी भी बैंकिंग एप्स हो गई हैं, जितनी भी ऑल अराउंड लेगेसी कंपनीज हैं, अगर वो ओवर द टाइम अपने आप को नहीं करेंगे तो वो काफ़ी पीछे रह जाएंगे बाकी कंपनी से इन द फ्यूचर, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज इवॉल्विंग सो क्विकली कि आपको साथ साथ ही लेके चलना है, वरना यू विल फील लेफ्ट बिहाइंड उसके अंदर सिचुएशन में. बट रिगार्डिंग द पोटेंशियल एंड टैपिंग इनटू द जो पाकिस्तान के अंदर एग्जिस्ट करता है, उसका पॉइंट मेरा ये था कि लाइक say that potential is there and companies are coming and opening up, tapping into that potential, but I also feel like execution पे काफ़ी मैटर करता है कि अगर उसकी execution उस तरह अच्छे से ना की गई हो तो there are a lot of companies, बहुत सारी examples हैं जिन्होंने start बहुत अच्छा किया, the product was also needed over here but they were not able to sustain themselves. What do you think about that?
So I think that definitely you can't really point out one particular factor for why XYZ company didn't work. Like if we take the names of companies that shut down, so I think in my personal opinion it was a mix of both internal and external factors. कुछ चीजें founders ने अपनी publicly admit भी की है कि यानी जो एक I think globally startups में 2020 से 21 की जो एक global mindset है, that was growth at all costs. Okay. जैसे Careem, if you take the example of Careem or Careem or Daraz, so they started with aggressive pricing. So right, उन्होंने अपनी rides, अपनी services इतनी low cost कर दी that that user adoption came in, but ultimately it wasn't sustainable, right?
Makes sense.
And that sort of global mindset was something that was coming from abroad as well. I would say coming from abroad in the sense that कि एक चीज market में जो चल रही है, adoption देख रहे हैं, एक चीज जब आप देखते हैं कि XYZ market में कोई चीज grow कर रही है, so naturally also you play it safe and you try those methods, but each market is different, each conditions are different.
That's
and overall strategies didn't work, and like I said, इसमें किसी भी स्टार्टअप फाउंडर की आई थिंक नीयत नहीं होती कि उसका स्टार्टअप बंद हो जाए या प्रोडक्ट फेल हो जाए, बट आई थिंक इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स दैट
On that note, there have been amazing startups like Ticketwala and all of that who have been doing great job in what they are doing, and I hope और ज़्यादा इस तरह के startups हैं जो कि थोड़ा सा हमारी मार्केट को expand करें 100%. Now I will be moving towards your domain जो कि आप currently काम कर रहे हैं EFU के ऊपर. Win आप लोगों ने जो innovative product लेके आए हैं, right? So what was the problem that you guys imagined कि जिसको that needed a solution जिसकी वजह से ये product आया है?
I think overall देखें हमारी जो हम जिस तरीके से we as a nation take healthcare, right? यानी I'm speaking as an urban consumer. कि urban consumer जो है we are so wrapped up in today's everyday life that health हमारी as such के health we only take action on health जब वो disease हो जाती है. Like we will continue our lifestyles and until that that hospital bill happens or that diagnosis happens, only वही हमें चीज़ एक जगाती है. So I think the concept of Win overall is preventive in that sense, and also making the most of life. जो हम लोग एक चीज़ कहते हैं कि like our mission or our vision goal is to ensure that every Pakistani is healthy and happy. So it's not just about कि अच्छा आपने like you know एक health checkup कर लिया and you're not sick and all, but you also make the most of life. So wellness में what comes under wellness is that you know कि you're not just doing well, but you're also feeling good. So wellness में we you know we at if you take different forms of wellness, उसमें physical wellness आती है, mental wellness आती है,
100%.
ठीक है, mindfulness आती है, nutrition, self control, sleep habits. So it's a holistic thing. Our view of wellness is that you know there's different components, and जब अपनी wellness पे आप overall collectively focus करते हैं, आप अपनी lifestyle improve करते हैं, and you know you improve your habits, so that you know overall leads you to a better, not just a longer life, but a better life at that.
Yeah, 100%. And I feel like health and well-being is a very neglected conversational topic जो पाकिस्तान के अंदर है. And why do you think it is? Like ऐसा क्यों है?
I think overall यहाँ पे एक I think we can say एक तो चीज़ हम health care system पे बोले कि health care system पे like you know maybe people don't have access, so there's one issue of access.
And then the trust also is not there with the healthcare systems as well.
Yes, I would say कि access भी एक बड़ी है. जैसे अगर ख़वातीन की बात करें, so like you know a lot of mobility is a real concern for women in Pakistan, right? So not every you know woman can go out at a whim's notice. उनको वो privilege नहीं है जो यानी हम मर्दों हैं. So भी जैसे हमने within well-being you know at EFU we have also this product called M Health, which is basically a telehealth consultation app.
Okay.
जो घर बैठे like you know basically if you're feeling sick or under the weather, so you can have a telehealth consultation.
Okay, doctors के साथ आप direct online connect
exactly.
करते हैं.
You can order medicines, you can book lab tests.
अच्छा, वहाँ पे medicines भी available हैं.
Exactly,
Okay.
yes.
That's
So
nice.
उस पे I think improving that accessibility to people plays a huge role. Accessibility and awareness. And देखो wellness पे एक ये चीज़ है कि overall जो आप देखते हैं कि more mature societies एक awareness campaigns होती हैं, like you know कि you know there's more gyms, there are more facilities, there are more you know avenues for people to you know invest in yoga classes and mashallah say in the urban cities of Pakistan gyms and yoga studios have risen up
Yes, that's true, 100%.
and that awareness is definitely on the rise.
Growing.
That जो एक चीज़ होती है कि people are you know more mindful of it.
Yes.
तो उसमें I think it's on the rise. I won't say it is absolutely absent or it's absolutely negligent, but awareness is on the rise. और इसमें हमारा भी एक चीज़ है कि one of our I would say key areas is also increasing awareness, right? So one of the things that we did at EFU when we initially launched is we started at within our workforce कि हमने एक बकायदा wellness month बनाया, which was a wellness based activities. You know, wellness-based activities, gym-based activities, and fun and games, in order to promote wellness within the organization.
All right.
मतलब पहले अपने ही लोगों से start करें,
and
then you know you
makes sense 100%.
And you know उस पे फिर हमारी on the Win app we also have a section called the Wellness Hub where we collaborate with different people in the wellness space for informational content.
Fitness वगैरह के साथ अलग है.
Fitness पे है.
Nutrition का अलग है.
Exactly, yes. Nutrition पे है.
So if I for instance want to have a proper diet, तो मैं वहाँ पे जाके अब nutritionist के साथ connect कर सकती हूँ. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we have this telehealth integration right now. I mean, Fieldwork nutrition का नहीं है, but जैसे generally you can find out, you know, if you like, you know, to talked about that, you know, if you take a consultation, so basic आपको guidance मिल जाएगी. Plus, you know, we do have content on like, you know, active nutrition and you know हमारे वो app के अंदर है. So like, you know, our focus is on increasing awareness and educational content.
That's amazing. And interestingly, मुझे ये सवाल आ रहा था कि when obviously all of these things existed and if you have been giving insurance to for quite some time, तो different interfaces लोगों के साथ मिलते हैं, consumer insights मिलती हैं, सारी चीज़ें. And now that you guys have finally decided to tap into a lot of different issues जो लोगों के face हो रहे हैं, उनकी overall well-being को improve करें. So what was that moment for you जहाँ पे आप लोगों ने सोचा कि we really needed this? Like कोई ऐसी moment थी आप लोगों की?
I think जब हमने when we started to see the results of our efforts, when we started to see adoption and we started to hear feedback from our users, so that was a sort of validation in that sense. That you know people really हमने surveys भी roll out किए थे उसमें, that people really reported that you know this was information for me. I haven't thought about it in that way. And then we saw that as a validation that you know this is needed. This is not just like another thing, but you know this is something that you know people find that value in. People find it useful.
Okay, so what have you seen in terms of your user base जो अभी आपने product introduce कराया उसके बाद से where the current user base जो है वो लोग इसको adapt ज़्यादा कर रहे थे the new features that you guys have brought और या फिर ये नए लोग ज़्यादा it's attracting new people more?
I think honestly, it's been a mix.
Okay.
We've received queries from a lot of current EFU clients,
Okay.
who are already have had that relationship with us. Like, what is this new product? इसमें क्या है? इसमें क्या फायदे? What are the rewards and benefits? Right? And then, we have had a lot of queries from new customers as well. So I think in general, irrespective of new or old, I think like I said initially, जैसे मैंने mention किया था, wellness की awareness is on the rise, and mashallah se people are taking interest, and we are here to help them. So उसमें we definitely have seen a mix of both.
The new customers भी basically इसके through आ रहे हैं आपके पास, who are basically getting insured and
yes,
utilizing
that
it.
insurance penetration is definitely increasing.
Incorporated within that. That's amazing. And what is your long-term plan? Like, how will you guys retain these customers? कोई planning इसके ऊपर की गई है?
Okay, so इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा आपको background देता हूँ. So basically जो Win है, Win essentially is an insurance plan plus fitness app, right? So इसके हमारे एक होता है unit linked insurance plan, which basically works in two ways. एक तो life insurance on the one side, and it works as an investment tool on the other side, right?
Okay.
Let's suppose you're investing 100,000 rupees in the EFU Win savings plan. So on the one side, आपको life insurance cover मिल रही है.
Okay.
But that 100,000 is also being invested into a fund of your choice according to your risk level.
Okay.
On which it then takes over a period of whatever period you've designated for that policy. वो उसके हिसाब से win होते हैं. So there's that financial aspect to it. जो standard जो हमारे insurance plans, जो unit linked plans हैं.
So technically, this is something different as well, like because insurance companies usually do not have that option, or do they?
They do. Unit-linked plans have been around. We recently, हमने हमारे launch हुए थे. तो लोग उसको, like I said, people look at it not just as protection but also as an investment.
Investment as well.
और ये जो Win का है, Win is आपके एक समझ से value added offering. जिसमें जो हमारे जो Win savings plan लोग खरीद रहे हैं, उनको एक app मिलती है free of cost, which they come on board. And essentially, once they start using this app, they can start gaining rewards on it. So for example, if you come on this app today, so यानी आपको आपने एक तो जगह आपकी policy हो गई, that's done.
Okay.
On the other side, you have this app, you download it, you sign on to it as a user. So you can start earning, you can start logging your physical activity on it. Your steps cards start getting tracked. You can take health assessments on it. You can record if you have a a smartwatch or something, so you can record your workouts on it, and then you can gain points on it. तो points जब rack up होते हैं तो आप वो points use कर सकते हैं for different rewards, currently we have Daraz on board, we have Food Panda on board, and
so purchases वगैरह सारी चीजें इसके through
vouchers होते हैं, essentially if I've gathered 10,000 points, so I can redeem those points for rewards, right? I complete different challenges, जैसे मैंने अपने challenges complete अपने करके, so उस पे I earn vouchers on it. I can earn a voucher of 500 from Food Panda
and then utilize it on Food Panda. Makes sense. That's pretty cool. So जो initial stage है जहाँ पे I'm logging into the app and starting doing all of these things, this is free of cost, right? Yeah, इसमें I need to be registered as an EFU user and मुझे उसकी insurance खरीदनी होगी.
Yeah, insurance तो हो है. That is linked to the policy.
So that is linked to my own profile. ठीक है.
Linked to that own profile. अच्छा, the way we structure retention is कि हम इसको इसको the way we frame it is like कि तो investment आपकी एक जगह है. Yes. And on the one side, we also want to basically make the user feel better and earn rewards. Where एक habit building mechanism हम लाते हैं. Once your activity starts getting tracked, those habits start getting built, and that that 500 वाला जो voucher है, that becomes a reward for you in that sense, right? And then उस पे ये भी है that based on that, based on whatever points you accumulate, you earn a certain status called a win level, which win status, and which you can depending on your particular status at the end of a policy year, you can avail a percentage-based policy bonus. Okay. So there's a whole lot. I'm not going to get into the jargon of it all, but अगर मैं एक nutshell में ये बताऊँ, तो it's basically like I said at the start, it's gamified wellness. It's habit building. The core purpose is that एक जो हमारी users हैं, customer base हैं, उनमें healthy habits inculcate हों, उनमें एक उनकी lifestyle में change आए, and because एक habit building needs a reward mechanism, or you could say आपको एक consistency
incentive चाहिए.
So that the app helps you out with that as well.
100%. I believe this is a pretty amazing ecosystem जो आप लोगों ने overall develop किया है for building that trust and then protection, and also एक saving mechanism भी है वहाँ पे, habit building भी है, तो आपकी health भी improve हो रही है, plus आपकी जब finances sorted होते हैं सारी चीज़ें, so एक overall जो बंदे पे impact आता है individual पे final काफ़ी अच्छा आता है. So now that we have discussed the new features that you are working on in quite some detail, हम इसकी थोड़ी सी back working पे आते हैं जहाँ पे we will try to understand कि ये जो products आ रहे हैं पाकिस्तानी market के अंदर, right? So how hard it is to bring these kinds of new products and how adaptive is the Pakistani market towards it, if you can elaborate on that.
I think new products में देखिए ideas तो like idea generation is an important aspect.
Yeah.
Not just in terms of like कि आप brainstorming करके XYZ idea लें, but how does it stand out in terms of applicability.
बिल्कुल
Like
ऐसे है.
आप generating an
Yeah.
idea is one thing,
Yeah.
but उसकी जैसे आपने previously mention किया था execution is another,
Exactly.
right? कि execution उसमें viability आप कैसे उसको देख रहे हैं, क्या
बिल्कुल.
है, do you have an idea, so like is it even viable in Pakistan, right? So उसमें एक है कि कि obviously the way I work is maybe when I'm proposing new stuff and all.
Yeah.
So उसमें like I have, but then I look into what's viable, what's doable, what's basically achievable given constraints,
Okay.
given the market,
Yeah.
given different things. Actually, इसमें there's one thing to take note कि
Yeah.
कोई भी startup हो या business हो. So obviously, like I said, whatever is happening, like let's say एक ticket वाला है, जो
Yeah.
previous example दी थी, तो that is happening perhaps for the first time in Pakistan or
Yes.
in the early times, right? So no one knows कि despite all your prep and all,
Yeah.
what the market response is
How
going to
it
be
will
like.
respond to
It's
it.
what the market
Yeah,
response is going
that's
to be
true.
like. It's only once it launches and those results start coming in.
Responses
तो
कितने
फिर
होने पता
उसमें
चलता है.
एक वो होती है.
बिल्कुल.
तो जहाँ पे like how hard it is to build, I think overall as a ecosystem, as an
Yeah.
industry,
Yeah.
I think we do have the tools, we do have the people, right? Usme I think the hard part is then like staying resilient on what you are building.
Okay.
कि क्या कहते हैं उसमें, यानी इसमें एक चीज़ ये होती है कि जो मैंने थोड़ा सा I think observe भी किया था, that when companies start off तो basically वो कहते हैं अच्छा हम ये भी कर लें, हम ये भी कर लें, हम ये भी कर लें. So Kareem when if you may remember, Kareem launched Kareem Food,
जी.
right?
Yeah.
And then Airlift जब वो हुई तो then Airlift switched from
वो जो Mart पे
buses to quick commerce model,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So I
yes.
think retaining that focus rather than going in different directions,
It's
really
also-
helps.
yeah.
कि like it's important.
ऐसे
ऐसा नहीं है कि आप pivot ना करें या आप उस पे different directions में
नहीं
नहीं
जा
जाएं,
सकते.
या आप explore नहीं करें possibilities. But you try building with what you're doing.
Yeah.
Stay उस पे हम देखेंगे what works, what doesn't, and work on it. And दूसरा ये है कि I think resilience in the sense that bumps when you're building. So obviously एक चीज़ जो होती है that glamorization एक काफी
Yeah.
होती है initially, that कि like फलाने को funding round मिल गया और फलाने XYZ launch हो गया.
Yes, yes.
So there's a lot of buzz around that,
Around
right?
that, yeah.
So but it's important to note that it's about scalability and longevity rather
Yeah.
than optics and buzz.
Yeah.
कि आप उस पे focus करें कि initial you might have that initial burst of of growth or that initial burst of
Yes.
good PR or good traction, and when that first road bump hits,
Yes.
so that's when things start getting shaky. But it's important that you
At that
navigate
stage.
through it and you work on it getting collectively,
100%.
and you keep your I would say not emotions but stress in check.
Stress and check
Yeah,
as
yeah.
well. So उस time के ऊपर how do you respond to it basically makes the whole difference. क्योंकि जब आप
Yeah.
highs पे चल रहे होते हैं तो that's pretty easy to walk through that. But when you're on the lows या जहाँ पे भी आपको थोड़ी सी भी वो disturbance मिले वहाँ पे आप अपने आप को कैसे maintain करते हो, that's the
Yeah.
key to it. So I also feel like that the conversation that we are having is kind of that while being in the product side of the things, R&D is quite important, research and development. किसी भी product को जब आप लेके आ रहे हैं into the market, obviously a new product उसके अंदर आपको responses देखने हैं, but also उसकी जो existing substitutes हैं, how people are like वो एक पूरा I think एक पूरा chunk है जो जाता है इसके अंदर, if I'm not wrong. Can you please tell?
Yeah, R&D in the sense that you have to be. It's not like a physical, like
course not,
it's
yeah.
different from a when you do it in lab
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something. But R&D in the sense that just say I'll give an example of looking at market analysis or comp scans,
Yes.
so looking at what people are doing over here, how the market is responding.
Yeah.
जैसे एक मैं करके example बोलूँ, so we recently in the fintech space they have been new entrants के
Okay.
Yogo Bank आया, Rakami आया,
जी,
and
जी,
then like all these players came in, Easy Paisa rebranded, so it's just giving an example कि इस type की चीज़ों को cognizant रख रहे हैं ना, that what's going on in the market, what potential roadblocks are there, what potential opportunities are there. ठीक है, and looking at similar markets के like कि South Asia में हम markets देखेंगे वहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है क्या
Exactly.
नहीं चल रहा है. But रही बात कि research can only help you one way. Like I said, जो मेरा experience रहा भी है, unless you get that product out and you see those results coming in,
Firsthand.
that is the validation for you. So there's two ways to go about it. One is that you take a deep dive and see what comes out. The other is that you pick up a months long research करें and then
Yeah.
see what happens.
Yeah.
So in my opinion, I think it's a mix of both. Like you can't keep sitting on things.
Of course,
You
yeah.
can't keep sitting on things and like wait for something to
Yeah.
happen. You have to ultimately take that deep dive in.
No, for
and,
sure.
See
बट यू नीड टू हैव जो आपके आउटकम्स की भी प्रोबेबिलिटी को आप जो काउंट करते हो आई थिंक उसके लिए एक रिसर्च बैकग्राउंड
Yeah,
रिसर्च करना
we
इंपॉर्टेंट
scenario building आप कह रहे हैं,
yeah
आप scenarios
yeah
build कर लें that अगर एक what
this
happens if
yeah
this happens,
yeah
what are the
100%
probability, are we able to handle that, are we not able to handle that, how do we frame
yeah
this?
yeah
So, yeah.
makes sense. So now moving towards once the product is there and it has been built and it has been shown to the consumers to be looked at and used, so what behavior surprises you the most जब कोई भी इंसान आपके प्रोडक्ट से इंटरेक्ट करता है?
I think शायद एक natural human tendency है for anyone कि आप जब आप किसी को भी approach करते हैं
Yeah.
या आप new product launch करते हैं, so you have preconceived notions of who's going to buy your product or who's
Yeah.
going to not do it और
Assumptions
कौन कैसे
basically,
respond करेगा, तो एक natural है वो आपके mind में एक develop हो जाती है, like
Definitely.
it's human nature. But what surprised me is कि जब आप यूजर से बात कर रहे हैं आप देखें कि adoption कहाँ आ रही है,
Yeah.
तो कि I've always has been a lesson for me
Yeah.
that don't have those preconceived notions, don't
Yes,
rely on those
very
preconceived
important.
notions that maybe this product isn't suitable for XYZ
Yes.
और इसकी adoption नहीं होगी. The ultimate validation for your product
Yeah.
is the results, right? There's those preconceived notions are always going to be there, and in some cases you are going to see those come to light as well. कि आप
As well.
सोचे थे कि हाँ यार
वो भी हो रहा है but उसके साथ साथ you get to
exactly.
additionally know about more about
तो
the
more about कि ये क्या है, तो I think
Yeah.
कोई भी जो जब आप प्रोडक्ट को देख रहे हैं, and I'm sure a lot of product builders already do this,
Yeah.
कि वो प्रोडक्ट के एनालिटिक्स जरूर देखते हैं कि
Yeah.
वहाँ पे यानी यूसेज कैसी है, क्या है,
Yes, yes.
कैसी है, क्या ट्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं,
which demographic it is being more used
yes,
by.
yes, what features are more being used by, कौन सी
Yes.
चीजें हैं, क्या है.
Yes.
So I think and in terms of users, I think एक हमेशा एक funny चीज भी होती है, but despite of how you position your product or you position your brand,
Yeah.
people are going to interpret it in whatever way makes sense to them.
Okay.
Like so example अगर मैं एक बात करूँ, some people अगर हम ad निकालते तो we have received queries where people have thought that हम लोन दे रहे हैं, हम कोई like
अच्छा,
give away दे
वो
रहे हैं,
ये
right? So like
है।
that's ultimately कि like आपके दिमाग में एक चीज़ है कि आप your player is day, you're telling
Yeah.
something that कि
But
this
उसको
is what
दूसरा
I'm
बंदा
getting.
किसी अपने
But
ही
how
तरीके
is
से
someone else seeing that or approaching that,
Yeah.
that is different. So that is always a surprise of queries आती
Makes
हैं.
sense,
So
makes sense.
that's always
Definitely कि काफी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताया आपने कि whenever आपका एक अपना परसेप्शन होता है और जब एक चीज बाहर आ जाती है तो how people perceive it is an
Yeah.
entirely different thing. So while we're at it, I would like to also ask you कि while doing all of this building and सारी चीजें तो did it teach you about people, like something new about people, ये पूरा process जब आप when you went through it?
दो तरीके से मैं इसको break down करूँगा.
Okay.
So being part of the team as well,
Yeah.
and being part of from the customers angle as well.
All right.
So मेरा जो experience है building products में वो ये है कि I think चलिए aptitude and qualifications and skill sets today is one question, but
Okay.
in terms of team synergy and
Yes.
team rapport, I think that is one thing that is really understated, underrated, right? So you can have a lot of people who are top notch at what they're doing, and in the past I have been part of different teams where a lot of things were in place but that rapport wasn't there.
Okay.
So जब तक वो rapport नहीं होगा या that team synergy or that understanding won't be there,
Alright.
it's not going to be an easy journey, right?
Makes
It's human to have disagreements,
Yeah.
it's human to have opinions, but unless you have that natural chemistry or rapport, then it's going to be really difficult, because on the one side you are putting something out but आप internally अगर patterns कर रहे हैं तो then that's another story.
Having the synergy is very important. I
Yeah.
completely agree with you.
So
So that's basically what you have learned while working with product side.
overall, I've worked martial art like within my time at EFU, it's been really good. I think one thing that martial has been good experience for me is that I have good team rapport.
Alright.
Team rapport. So ये चीज़ जो मेरे जो people वाली बात है, जो मेरी अपनी personal learning थी, that rapport really makes quite a difference. And that's
Alright.
if I say that कि मेरा एक experience अगर अच्छा गुजरा है, definitely that has been one of the biggest factors contributing to that.
Makes sense.
तो अच्छा रही दूसरी बात, you talked about, I want to talk about users as well.
Yeah.
In terms of people's behaviors and all. I think people को जब लोगों को एक चीज़ की आदत लग जाती है तो then that stickiness comes, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि customer stickiness के जैसे मिसाल के तौर पे I think earlier in this I stated how Kareem ने एक expectation set कर दी थी for lower prices, right? अब वो जब तक lower prices see no stickiness
Yeah.
जैसे ही वो हटा, so people were we want
That's
this
quite
back.
an interesting insight
So-
because that's so true. Yeah.
So even with us कि जब हम लोग अपने products पे कोई complaints, technical complaints face करते हैं, सो जो हमारे पावर यूजर्स होते हैं वो फ़ौरन यानी उस पे आ जाते हैं बिकॉज माशाल्लाह दे लाइक दे हुक्ड ऑन द प्रोडक्ट
Yeah.
रेगुलर कस्टमर्स सो कोई भी चीज़ आती है दैट दैट हैबिट इज फॉर्म फॉर देम और दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन इज देयर
Yeah.
सो वहाँ पे देन वंस यू हैव दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन देन एक लोग आपसे स्टिक करते हैं राइट
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक जो एक जनरल जो एक चीज़ आती है कि स्पेशली व्हेन मिसाल के तौर पे लाइक अगर जैसे मैं इसकी बात करूँ I think the reason why Food Panda has been so successful
Yeah.
in the food delivery space is that there really hasn't been anyone to compete on that food. Like a food delivery in that sense, it's एक
Straightforward
simple
as model,
seemingly
exactly.
simple model
Exactly.
को यहाँ वो कर दें and यूजर ये है कि यूजर को जहाँ पे यूजर्स आर आई वुड से कि ब्रांड लॉयल्टी से ज़्यादा यूटिलिटी आई थिंक इन सम केसेस देख रहे होते हैं कि कल को वहाँ पे डिस्काउंट ज़्यादा है या फीचर्स वहाँ पे तो स्विचिंग अब बहुत आसान है
Exactly.
जस्ट दीज डेज यू जस्ट हैव टू लिंक योर फेसबुक एंड गूगल अकाउंट्स एंड आपके 2 मिनट में हो गया
100%.
सो उस केस में ये है कि
They have been very consistent about what they're offering and जो एक expectations उन्होंने set की हुई अपने consumers के साथ, which is making
Yeah.
it and consumers sticky with them.
yes that consumer stickiness is important
Yeah.
and like कि एक अगर आपने वो एक अचीव कर ली है then like that really takes you long term.
That's completely agree with that. While we're at it, आपने भी पूरा define करा कि जो आपकी internal team synergy की हमने बात करी है, and I would like to take a turn on the startup culture these days जो एक पूरा चल रहा है and how fruitful या not fruitful it has been over the time. So let's deep dive into that. And my first question for that would be startup culture की जो हम अभी बात कर रहे थे, it has been glamorized a lot. कि I'm working here, I'm working there, it's a startup and all of that thing. So what's the reality of it from an employee perspective?
आई थिंक ओवरऑल जो जैसे मैंने पहले भी इसमें मेंशन किया था जो एक स्टार्टअप्स की एक नॉट जस्ट इन पाकिस्तान बट ग्लोबली भी जो एक आई वोंट से बिहेवियर बट एक ट्रेंड रहा है
Yeah, yeah.
दैट फंडिंग हैज बिकम और हैड बीन के एक बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर एक वो ऑप्टिक्स ज़्यादा हो
Yeah.
जाते हैं लाइक इट एट वन पॉइंट इट बिकेम अ लॉट अबाउट फंड रेजेस रादर देन बिजनेसेस तो जिस वक्त वीसी इन्वेस्टर्स इन्वेस्ट कर रहे थे
Yeah.
तो लाइक startups are coming in कभी इसी ने रेज किया कभी इसने रेज किया
सही
कभी
है.
उसने रेज किया so this has been echoed by other people as well but like and maybe like it's a natural process of how marketing or publicity works in that sense कि like people naturally gravitate towards higher figures के like एक बड़ी layman tendency है that
नहीं, it has been like established that usually जब startups आते हैं सारी चीजें and people prefer it more is because of higher salaries and pays as well. Is that also the reason it has been glamorized so much?
आई थिंक ओवरऑल मैं अगर एक लेमन टर्म्स बात करूँ सो मैं एक बड़ी लेमन टर्म्स उस सेंस से कहूँगा इट्स वैल्यूएशन सैलरीज इट्स ऑल अबाउट लाइक कि बड़ी चीज़ नजर आ रही है कि भाई आपने इतनी बिलियन की कर ली आपने
Of
इतने
course.
हो गए एंड सैलरीज एंड लाइक यू हैव अ जेंसी कल्चर एंड ऑल
Yeah, yeah,
दैट सो उस पे एक ओवरऑल एक बट इट्स अ फेयरली ह्यूमन एक्सपेक्टेशन टू ग्रेविटेट टुवर्ड्स दैट राइट
Yeah.
कि उस पे आपका रुझान भी होता है rather than के actually focusing on के whether it's something is actually needed या something is viable वो then that becomes a secondary question.
हाँ.
रही बात glamorized की के so my personal
Yeah.
experience like के बाहर से तो obviously like it all seems like a lot of attraction. For people and but आप आते हैं so I think सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस जो इनिशियली बोला जाता है कि yes okay we process नहीं है structures नहीं है right
Yeah, exactly.
but then that becomes sort of contentious thing because you need to have some level of processes in place
Exactly.
in order for something to work right so
Yeah.
it's this paradox in that sense that
Yes.
startups को freedom मिल रही है to operate out of those traditional structures that कि normally companies legacy companies के पास होते हैं कि कल को किसी चीज़ के अप्रूवल चाहिए तो
Yeah.
हमें XYZ लोगों से वो करना है so
बिल्कुल.
startup में आपको नहीं है but then you realize why that those processes were in place yeah what those processes safeguard you from
Okay.
right so मैंने ये भी देखा कि unstructured में like you're doing a lot
Yeah.
but where you're going like बाजू का
Direction.
end up at square one या बाजू का कोई चीज़ नहीं हो रही and a lot of startups they try to basically build in those processes
Yeah.
but again थोड़ा सा especially जो VC funded startups का मसला ये होता है कि एक वो बन जाती है कि एक लिमिट बन जाती है कि फंडिंग इतनी उठानी है नाउ यू हैव लिमिटेड फंड्स यू हैव लिमिटेड टाइम अब क्या करें डू यू बिल्ड द प्रोडक्ट और यू बिल्ड द प्रोसेस
Structure.
राइट सो ऑफन दे ट्राई टू डू बोथ थिंग्स एंड प्रोसेसेस बनाए हम हम पूरा एक सिस्टम लेंगे
Yeah.
हम प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का सिस्टम लेंगे हम वर्क फ्लोज कर
Yeah.
देंगे वी ब्रिंग इन समवन
Yeah.
लाइक कर देंगे बट it all gets jumbled up pretty
Makes
quick
sense.
so बल्कि जब जो स्ट्रक्चर्ड का फिर अच्छा फिर उसमें फिर ये होता है कि लाइक कि चले लॉन्ग आवर्स तो चलेंगे एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑलरेडी है एक लॉन्ग आवर्स की तो एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑलरेडी है, बट वहाँ पे जो होता है when you don't have structures in place, so then you have potential for abuse as well. Abuse, and you like, especially in a country like Pakistan,
Yes.
you don't really have labor laws, or you don't have
Exactly.
systems that protect you from that abuse,
Exactly.
right? So उसमें कि
लॉन्ग आवर्स आपसे काम कराएंगे
या लॉन्ग आवर्स तो चले ठीक है कि ऑलरेडी एक स्टार्टअप की एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है
होती
व्हेन
है।
यू गोइंग देयर, बट कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक एक मिसाल के तौर पे एक चीज़ है कि एक कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट है या एक कंपनी कल्चर है, those things are there for a reason.
Yeah.
It's only like एक मैं अपनी भी बात करूँगा कि
Yeah.
when I speak as a millennial and Gen Z, ऐसे स्टूडेंट लोग कहते थे कि what are the reasons for these rules and why are
Yeah.
these in place and जो है, but then you realize when you're operating in an unstructured environment that कि ये किस लिए थे और क्या ये चीज़ है, आपको उस वक्त ये बज़ाहिर उनकी अहमियत पता नहीं
समझ
चलती
नहीं आ
है
रही होती
कि like why is there an HR system in place, why do you have these
Yeah.
policies in place. These policies in fact are safeguarding you from
Safeguarding.
those things
Yeah.
that कि जो unstructured उसमें
abuse हो सकते हैं like
yeah,
इस sense में
different level का, different नौयत का,
yeah.
and बस वही दूसरी बात कि आई थिंक जो एक हमारी एक आप कह रहे साउथ एशियन
Yeah.
थिंग है कि ग्लोबली ले ऑफ्स बड़े हो रहे थे, इवन
Yes.
बिग जायंट्स एंड ऑल, तो इन साउथ एशिया जो एक हमारी, अगर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन की बात करूँ, सो layoffs के that is something that is relatively new to them.
Yes.
Yeah, even up to 5 to 10 years ago, when you get a job, तो एक expectation होती है कि ठीक है, like performance otherwise,
Yes.
you're gonna have that job loyalty, or gonna have that job retention in that
Exactly.
sense. But that overnight just disappeared.
Yeah.
And for a lot of like तो families की भी expectations हो जाती हैं कि भाई like कि जब आप एक job करें कि
Yeah.
आप go to brand name, so कल को आपकी job है, कल को नहीं है, so
नहीं
like
है.
that expectation
yes,
really goes up.
instability.
Because we don't have a social security system जो आपको unemployment benefits
बिल्कुल.
देता है, ठीक
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
you have to rely on that, right? Plus रही दूसरी बात कि उसमें when you talk about glamorized aspects,
There are a lot of pros and cons that I've like noticed over the time as well, and जो आप बता रहे हैं उसके थ्रू भी because अगर over the time देखा जाए glamorization comes in form of कि अच्छा बहुत अच्छी सैलरी मिल रही है मुझे, सही है, and क्या मेरी crazy work place है, मुझे खाना मिलता है, so there have been startups जो कि perks दे देते हैं आपको अगर salaries नहीं दे रहे होते, but या simultaneously वो आपसे अगर extra काम करा रहे हैं तो they also have other things in place कि for instance ये खाना वहाँ का जो उनका lunch है वो company provided होगा, या फिर जो उनकी बैठने की जगहें हैं वो बहुत fancy होंगी, अच्छा working environment दे दिया for instance, so they have been compensating it in that way. But then again, the common thing which I have been noticing, because it is called a startup, right? So in startups, आप कोई भी चीज़ start करते हो तो the workload will always be more than what you are currently you would normally do in a legacy company. That's what my perception is. So correct me if I'm wrong about these things. कि startup is obviously shouldn't be that glamorized, but yeah, it's a good opportunity for people to take a start from and learn different things about business and in their rules in general, right?
अच्छा उसमें I think glamorization definitely in terms of learning experiences जो है definitely that is something that seems like an attraction. But like I mentioned earlier, I believe इसमें structure होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, ठीक है, because when you're doing so many things all at once, राइट, आप जाने ठीक है, आप ये भी कह लें कि आपका ओवरऑल की आपको लर्निंग बहुत मिल रही है, बट इवेंचुअली अगर आप प्रोग्रेस आपकी ओवरऑल होलिस्टिक प्रोग्रेस एक ही स्पॉट पे है, यू स्पेंडिंग दैट एनर्जी बट यू आर जस्ट एट वन स्पॉट, सो यू हैव एट वन पॉइंट यू हैव टू असेस कि यार इज इट इवन वर्थ इट, राइट? सो मेरा जो पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस था वो ये था कि लाइक इफ यू प्लान आउट कि आप रिसर्च भी करें, आप ये भी करें, आप ये भी करें, आप ये भी करें, सो लाइक you may feel like you're doing a lot and you're learning all this and you're translating all of that कि हमें like I'm becoming more proficient
More
and
professional.
all. Unless you can translate that into in terms of output for your
Yes.
product कि आप output ला रहे हैं,
Yeah.
या in terms of like if you are advancing your career. जैसे मैं एक मिसाल के तौर पे बात करूँ कि if working at a startup leads you to learn something like SQL or Power BI or
Okay.
new coding language and all,
बिल्कुल.
then that is something that is
Productive,
valuable learning.
valuable,
Productive,
exactly.
right? But if you're simply going around कि अच्छा ये भी है, ये भी
Sheets
है,
बना दी,
आपके
काम
हाँ,
कर दिया.
yeah. So that a lot of the excuse the technology, the BS work क्या
Yeah.
आते हैं, वो फिर you need to generate the fluff out कि जैसे
Makes
एक
sense.
जो मैंने पहले भी mention किया था कि you have to really decide कि कि कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो कि give value. So I was working with this Bahraini startup called Aeon Digital
Okay.
from 21 to 22.
Alright.
So वहाँ पे उन फाउंडर की एक चीज़ मुझे एक मेरे जहन में काफ़ी
Yeah.
कि लाइक कि वहाँ पे work on things that result in output or monetary value for a company, right?
All right.
You list down कि whatever you're doing and XYZ thing, what is the eventual outcome for it?
Yeah.
इसका end goal क्या है?
बिल्कुल.
Don't work just because कि आप you're keeping yourself busy. Work because you see that इसका in the end of the day इसका result क्या है? If it's moving the needle to where you want to go, मिसाल के तौर पे speaking to consumers now, making calls
Yeah.
or something like that. Now that is something that is moving the needle because you're getting
Of
those
course.
insights and you're getting but if you're focusing on कि अच्छा आप आपने फलाना एक कोई नया process land that does not have that viability and you haven't thought it through,
Yeah.
then that is a आपकी एक opportunity cost in
बिल्कुल.
terms of your time and energy.
Yeah.
कुछ much rather spend your time doing something else.
100%.
So ये maybe over time assessment हुई है as a working professional that it's very easy to feel busy, but it's important to assess कि यार end of the day आप जो काम कर रहे हो वो वाकई क्या उसकी एक
Value है या नहीं?
value है या नहीं है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. This is very important point to be noted because a lot of people are just going into companies doing a lot of grunt work and thinking कि ये हमने इतना सारा काम over the time किया है, it probably provide them a value of some form.
Yeah.
But until unless वो आपकी as you mentioned earlier कि कोई output निकाल रहा है या नहीं निकाल रहा है, you need to evaluate that yourself and then make the decision if you want to continue doing that grunt work or not. Grunt work के लिए कोई भी आपसे जो वहाँ पे startup में काम कराया जाता है. So yeah, do you want to add something?
उसमें नहीं है कि I think some tasks are by nature necessary. वो कुछ element को करने को
नहीं,
कराते हैं
of course not all of that, but if you're just
yeah.
doing only that, then it's not
Yeah,
providing you
exactly.
any value in terms of your future. Like आपके career में कोई advancement नहीं लेके आएगा. तो जैसे आपने जो 2-3 skills mention करी, जैसे SQL आ गया, सीख लिया या फिर आपने कुछ और आपको मिल गया, चाहे वो product आपका हो, जो भी आपका field of expertise है, marketing, product या फिर engineering जो भी, उसके हिसाब से वो आपको grow करनी चाहिए, आपकी growth मिलनी चाहिए. Even if you are on the side doing other things as well. So that's 100% true. Now moving towards the young professionals who are basically coming towards this field, like towards these, like उनको जब jobs लेनी होती हैं. So how would you say कि a young professional should prepare themselves for these startup roles?
I think what I've seen, Joe, and I'll speak from what I've seen my younger batchmates doing as well.
Yeah.
Mashallah, they're doing well in their career.
Mashallah.
उसमें ये है that they were very proactive in identifying what
Is working?
not what is working, but what's going on in the market और कहाँ पे position करना है, right? तो उसमें position इसमें ये है कि a lot of people who like कि जिनको let's take the example of like you mentioned मेरी सेहत, तो उसमें like product designer, right? So अब designer है, उसने बेशक वो CS का student नहीं है, maybe he's doing accounting, finance or he's doing economics blah 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 and but उसको शौक है, तो उसने proactively वो skill सीखा, right? तो वो they can adequately measure what skills startup needs and then positions themselves accordingly. जैसे एक मैं design की वो चीज़ दूंगा कि UI UX design आज से perhaps 2016 से पहले सिवाय सॉफ्टवेयर हाउसेज में इतना कहीं और नहीं शायद हो रहा था, राइट? तो लेकिन जो इसमें फर्स्ट मूवर्स थे उन लोगों ने काफ़ी इसके बेनिफिट्स रीप किए. सम ऑफ देम हैव गॉन अब्रॉड इन डिज़ाइन रोल्स, डिज़ाइन पे दे बिकम डिज़ाइन स्पीकर्स एज वेल, राइट? तो इस पे आई थिंक आइडेंटिफाइंग व्हाट ट्रेंड इज गोइंग ऑन. जब से एक ट्रेंड जो लोग कहते हैं कि AI की वो है, so उसमें भी आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि where is that heading and how do you fit in, and making your own assessment कि अब जैसे एक मिसाल के तौर पे एक चीज़ जो मैंने अपने टाइम में नोट की थी कि I think we tend to have a lot of group think as well, कि जैसे अभी एक बहुत ही कॉमन एक शायद वो है कि जो इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, so अक्सर एक थोड़ा आगे किसी पूछा अच्छा मुझे जर्मनी जाना है या मुझे बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स करना है, सो आस्क एवरी थर्ड पर्सन उसको करना क्या है, सो विल से आई वांट टू गो टू जर्मनी, आई वांट टू गो टू डिग्री कोर्स getting business analytics करनी. So my point being you don't just do something because XYZ is doing it because
the peer pressure or the herd mentality,
peer pressure, but you also see कि यार आप कहाँ पे अपनी नीश बना सकते हो, राइट? आप कहाँ पे अपनी वो कर सकते हो, राइट? सो मैं अगर अपनी बात करूँ कि जैसे so I'm from IBA, so उसमें एक IBA की एक फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम इन माय ओपिनियन एक स्टूडेंट्स की, माई सेल्फ इंक्लूडेड, एक टेंडेंसी थी कि वी वर वेरी फोकस्ड ऑन FMCGs फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम, द यूनिलीवर्स एंड
P&Gs डायरेक्ट आपके FMCG में,
तो आपका जो माइंडसेट है आपका उस ग्रुप थिंक में चला जाता है. तो उस ग्रुप थिंक पे फिर you don't really explore
or understand your own capabilities,
right? So उसमें I think जो मुझे what kind of shifted, even though my interest काफी FMCGs की तरफ था, so what kind of shifted is when I heard one of professors saying, he was working with the banking sector at that time, that next 5 years fintech is going to really take off. So
Okay.
fintech hadn't taken off.
Okay.
Alfana was also working on its thing and
Alright.
thing. So उन्होंने कहा like explore this field as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
See financial technology होती क्या है.
Okay.
And none of my friends at that time or my peers were
Yeah.
talking about कि यार ये भी एक
एक
field
field है.
right? तो मैंने फिर उसमें फिर ये चीज़ देखी, मैंने जब explore किया मुझे interesting लगी. And मैंने I think एक अच्छी privileged opportunity थी that I had that initial focus in, right? So all of my roles, if I talk about my journey so far, has been a continuation of building digital products.
Yeah.
Right? कि यानी एक चीज़ हुई, एक से बाद एक चीज़ हुई. And अगर तुम्हें वो group think करता कि like कि हाँ मुझे तो ये marketing ही करनी है,
Yeah.
मुझे वो करनी है. So probably like I would not have.
100%. That's true. That's 100% true. एक जो herd mentality होती है कि जो सब कर रहे हैं वही सब के पीछे चले जाओ. It's important to understand your own capabilities and आपकी अपनी क्या strengths and weaknesses हैं, and you make those decisions, and also predictability. जैसे stock market हो गई या कोई भी इस तरह की जो चीज़ें होती हैं उसमें आप future को predict करते हैं ना कि क्या आने वाला है. So you need to understand your skill areas and also what might work in the future as well and align that. And I think that's the best cheat code to achieve success. So thank you so much, Rohil, for giving us so much information in detail. आपने जो भी आपका experience इस field में so far रहा है उसके बारे में आपने काफ़ी अच्छी हमें दी, and I'm sure काफ़ी लोगों के लिए beneficial होगा who are starting up their careers, specifically looking into going towards product fields and startup cultures के अंदर, कि वो यहाँ से 2-3 पॉइंटर्स निकाल के लेके जा सकते हैं. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू स्विच दैट, क्योंकि हम बहुत सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन कर चुके हैं, थोड़ा सा इसमें फन होना चाहिए. वी विल स्टिल टॉक अबाउट प्रोडक्ट एंड योर फील्ड, बट वी विल बी डूइंग सम रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस जो कि विल मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज, आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट जो करण जौहर का एक रैपिड फायर राउंड काफ़ी फेमस है. आई विल बी आस्किंग यू सम क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू रिप्लाई टू देम विद द टॉप ऑफ योर माइंड आंसर्स. जो आपके दिमाग में सबसे पहले आएगा आपने उसका जवाब देना है, एंड इट विल जस्ट बी अ नाइस क्विक अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ यू एंड योर फील्ड. सही है? सो आर यू रेडी फॉर इट?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's dive into the rapid fire round. My first question is a product you wish existed in Pakistan.
Better transport startups.
Better transport startups. they अभी आए तो थे पहले, इतने सारे बंद हो गए.
नहीं, लेकिन transport is a pain point. I
Yeah.
think for every Karachiite.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
That is.
So at least some
Yeah.
even private options,
Yeah.
but we need good transport. That's true. One habit you are trying to build right now.
I think mindfulness definitely. I intend to get my mind
Yeah.
on all sort of places.
Do you use your own app for that?
Yeah, definitely. उसमें जो content है मैं खुद भी उसको देखता हूँ, बना रहा
Of
हूँ,
course
but
you
then
do.
like I have to review it and see कि हाँ चलो यार,
Yeah.
well just मैं भी apply कर लूँ rather than say like I should apply it for
It's
myself. as
one
well.
of the most, I would say, difficult habit to build, mindfulness, to be
Yeah,
present in the
yeah.
moment.
Yeah,
It sounds easy, but it's quite difficult. So nice. The next question is speed or perfection? What wins in life?
Speed.
Speed wins in life. That's
Yeah.
true. That's agreed. The next question is a wellness trend you don't believe in.
Wellness, sound healing. Yeah.
Why so, by the way?
I think it's more
Glamorized?
psychosomatic. I
Yeah.
think it's perception.
Okay.
I've tried it, so मुझे तो फर्क
Okay,
नहीं पड़ता.
okay. Self-tried इसलिए that's
Yeah,
more
yeah.
like, makes sense. Okay, next question is morning routine or night routine, which matters more?
I think morning routine.
Okay.
Ever since I've started getting up early,
Yeah.
so I feel that generally I've gotten a lot of stuff
Makes
done.
sense,
A
yeah.
lot of hours done. So yeah.
Early rise, early
Yeah,
shine
yeah,
wala
yeah.
situation, 100%. Okay, so next question. One mistake first-time product builders usually make.
Preconceived notions every
Okay.
time. Like whether it's about the product response or the users and all.
Yeah, that we
preconceived
also
notions
discussed in
for
our
it.
conversation. Makes sense. Okay, so this is the last question. One skill that matters more than your degree.
I think this is a lived experience both for myself as an employee over the years and for the teammates that have joined me.
Yeah.
I think aptitude, skills, qualification, all things set aside. I think it's overall your approach and attitude that really matters.
Okay.
Again, this might seem like a very generic statement to make
Yes.
that a lot of people say that yeah, right attitude रखो, right approach
Yeah.
रखो. लेकिन जब मैंने खुद ये चीजें देखी
Yeah.
अपने उसमें कि अपने practical life में कि like what difference it does really make कि बेशक XYZ का मुझे मेरे अंदर बहुत सारी skill set है, but I don't have that right approach, that mindset or that attitude, whether
Yeah.
it be building in a team or leading the room or
Yeah.
doing whatever I can. So then that really ultimately takes everything out. So I
Okay.
worked with employees who mashallah say were very talented,
Yeah.
have great credentials, but that approach
they don't
and
have the right
mindset
attitude.
problem है, तो आपकी बहुत सारी चीजों पे वो हो जाता है. And
Hold
this
कर
is what
देता
I've
है
seen. People who have been a success, that that attitude or that mindset really matters, and this is something कि मैं जैसे यहाँ पे बोलना भी ये है,
Yeah.
मैं अपने लिए भी मेरी learning है, like in places where in the past when I have been difficult to work with, or I've thought that I know it all, or
Yeah.
that क्या मेरा ये है, So that is something that has kept me in check.
Makes
And,
sense. You need to work on that.
Yeah.
100%. So our rapid fire rounds completes over here with an amazing advice to work on the attitude. So thank you so much for once again sharing your knowledge with us and with everyone for ताकि हम अपनी lives को improve कर सकें. And everyone who's watching, please do check out EFU की जो new innovative product लेके आए हैं, which is called Win. Now, on the ending note, I would like you to give one advice to anyone जिसने so far हमारी podcast को follow किया and देख लिया है. It can be regarding building this habit as well, or anything in general which you would like to tell them, basically.
Yes, thank you. Firstly, Tareem, for having me,
most
having me
welcome.
rant over and give my thoughts.
No, of course.
Definitely, do check out Win. Do check out what Win is about.
Yeah.
We're trying to build a wellness movement, wellness community within Pakistan. Trying to improve health and lifestyles for people. And overall, I'd like to leave the audience with this parting advice that overall, I think resilience for me has been a core trait. Resilience gives me. Whatever happens in life, have that resilience and have that faith in yourself. Again, जो बहुत सारी बातें हैं
Yeah.
मैंने की हैं, it might seem a bit generic at times, लेकिन it is there's lived truth in all of the statements that when I've talked about processes, when I've talked about attitude, like over my 10 years of experience, these are things that I realized that these statements are there for a reason.
Makes
They
sense.
didn't just appear overnight.
Yeah.
They've persisted for long because they're actually
Valuable.
So yeah.
Thank you so much. Now, towards the end of my podcast, I just make everyone look in the camera and say this thing. You just have to point at the camera like this and say, "Keep watching 1 on 1 by TV."
All right.
We can do it together as well. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Keep
watching.
1 on 1 by TV.
Thank you so much.
1 on 1 by TV.